Hi guys, welcome back to Spotarya channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set pattern lock in Samsung A33 5G. But as always, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. So firstly, you have to go to the settings apps on your phone. I'm gonna tap on the settings app here. And now I'm gonna scroll it down until I find lock screen. Here you are. I'm gonna tap on it. And now at the first option you will see the screen lock type. I don't use any lock, so I'm gonna tap on this. After that, there are so many options, but if you wanna set your pattern, just tap on the pattern options. Now you only have to draw your pattern that you want. Here for the example. After that, if you don't, tap on the next, and again you have to draw the pattern that you have made. Now go ahead to the confirm button here at the bottom. Here you can set the notifications for the lock screen, but I'm gonna skip it. I'm gonna tap on the done button here at the bottom. And yeah, I'm gonna log it first. For example, swipe it up, and yeah, you just have to draw your pattern. So yeah guys, just it. I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.